in the middle. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sirs, I'm a bus. Beep, beep. Excuse me, I'm a bus. Yeah, bro. Yo. Ladies and gents, welcome to another vlog. That was actually Moto Velocita in the beginning there, who I waved to. How's everybody doing on this day? Good, I hope. I'm just chilling, taking a quick ride to Manhattan on this beautiful, whatever today is. Let's call it a Saturday, right? Let's call it a Saturday. Look at that. Nobody's going to Manhattan today, huh? It's okay. Just going for a little cruise. It's a Saturday morning. I got to take care of a quick errand. I got to pay some bills. Literally pay somebody some cash. You know, sketchy. Just gonna meet some dude on a corner and pay him $4.50. You know, cash on the street corner. You know, normal stuff. LOL. Anyway, it's so fucking nice out. Like, look at that. People are in t-shirts. It's the second half of November. We're like fucking finishing November here. What's up, man? We're finishing November and we're dealing with this shit. You gotta be fucking joking me. Look at that guy. He's in a t-shirt. Yeah, and I kind of woke up in the morning and I was like, you know what? I kind of just want to go for a small cruise. Look at all this traffic here. I'm gonna pass everybody. It's not a problem. But I really just wanted to go for a small little cruise, just like so. Look at that. Lots of speed cameras around, so we don't speed here. And you know, I was like, I have all this time today. I could do a vlog about a topic, or maybe something important or cool, but no, not important. It's all important. But I think this one is going to be just about like mental health and just fucking helping yourself. Oh no. Arga. Did I get a picture taken of me? Hopefully not. Because sometimes, you know, some days you wake up and you're like, no, thanks. You wake up and you're just not in the mood. But see, that's a proper interaction. I almost hit some lady the other day because she was fucking too cool for school. Anyway. Bike feels great. Just got new tires, so it all rolls nice, smooth. Lube the chain. Not wearing a backpack. Just great all around. It's so beautiful out. That's why sometimes I'm like, why am I sad today? Why do I feel, what is the word I'm looking for? Not worthless, because that sounds fucking dramatic. I'm talking about like, I guess worthless is kind of a way to call it. Like basically the feeling of I should be doing more, even though I don't want to. There's all these improvements to make, you know, and some of them are super easy and they don't require any financial spendings or anything. Yeah, I need to pass this person, even though I'm not trying to go spicy today. So there's room for improvement. There are things I could do to make myself feel better about myself. I just choose not to, which is also okay. That's the thing. It's like this vicious cycle of things that are totally fine, but work you up, you know. Here we go. Anything is hitting my helmet because I'm literally all strapped in everywhere. Oh, it's probably the jacket, right? The jacket straps, because my stupid jacket is undone. And I gotta tighten my mirror. There's all these things. There's like 7 different processes that I need to happen. Bro, you're in the wrong lane, champion. There we go. That was nice. How much gas we got? Oh, plenty. No need for gas. Yeah, I'm not technically required to do anything for anybody. You know? Like, the thing that I'm doing right now is for the family. Like, I'm not a complete piece of shit. I worked all week. I'm trying to figure out as to why. You know, people got all sorts of responsibilities in this day and age, like real shit. So me, I feel like I'm like, I mean, everybody's life is very different. This guy, getting around him. Not sure what's happening. Ooh, look at that fucking sweet Chrysler or whatever the fuck that is. It's adorable. There's a motorcycle garage party today at Displaced Motos in Red Hook. Check it out. But there's also a Formula 1 race in Brazil. Obrigado. You know? Beautiful. Oh no. Did I get a picture taken of me? Maybe. It's possible. What, that bridge is blocked? No. Can't be blocked. Just got a cop chilling there. Come on, taxi. Figure it out, buddy. Left. Oh, Queensbridge. What are you doing? Queens. Yeah, let's not get too spicy because I've only done like 10 miles on these new tires. Let's not get too spicy. Oh boy, as always, got a little bit of a traffic jam until we come halfway across. That's how it is. How it always has been. Yeah.